One of the biggest problems with dropshipping is the long wait for products, and one of the tools that can actually help you with that is Sendrop. Now, Sendrop is basically a supplier for all of your dropshipping products, and it is also a platform where you can find new winning products. Now, as you can see right here, it is the hashtag one high margin dropshipping app for growth. So actually, if you want to use Sendrop, you can also use it to grow your business and to really scale things. As you can see, they're known for their fast shipping, and you can start dropshipping in basically less than 30 seconds. They also automate everything, so you basically won't have to do any of the fulfillment yourself. You can let all be done by Sendrop. They also have a very good support team. And one thing which I actually really like about Sendrop is their US products. So they basically have warehouses in the US and they then directly ship from the US. Obviously with this, you will get shipping times that only are like 5 to 8 business days compared to China shipping, which is most of the time going to take around 2 weeks. So that's one thing which you have to know about Sendrop. And then they also will let you do brand development. So basically with all of the ordinary suppliers on China, like on AliExpress for example, you can't really do any customization. And Sendrop will basically allow you to, first of all, increase your brand equity by adding custom items and custom thank you cards to every order. And they will also allow you to do custom branding. So basically, if you're going to go for one of the paid plans right here, then Sendrop is going to allow you to do custom branding for all of your products. So they will also give you real-time analytics, so you can see all of your stats in real time. You can also take advantage of recurring revenue by basically adding subscription boxes. So for example, you can do like once in a month supply of, I don't know, candy for example. And if you are a high volume seller, you can also get a custom tailored experience with an entire team dedicated to your business. So basically how Sendrop works, it is kind of working like a middleman, connecting you to the best suppliers and also to the best products with the lowest product costs possible. Now, as you can see right here, Sendrop is actually made for dropshippers by dropshippers. So you will get really a large product catalog. You can scale really easily, and you can also get increased efficiency because they've actually spent years dealing with the pain of dropshipping, finding solutions, and so on. And basically Sendrop will work like this. First of all, your order is going to be placed, then your order is going to be fulfilled by Sendrop, then shipped, and Sendrop is actually also going to provide you with a tracking label, and then you will just get the profit. So at its core, it's just dropshipping, but done way better and done way better to actually scale your business. Now, as you can see, they have 3 pricing plans, the free one, the pro one, and the plus one. And for the paid ones, I will actually leave you my link down below to get a free trial. And as you can see, the free plan is kind of basic. You will only get access to the products, to the support. You can also do product sourcing, quick order processing, and you will also get quite a fast shipping time. However, you won't get any automated fulfillment. You won't get any on any custom branding, or with the free plan, you also can't access US product, which is one thing which I don't really like about the free plan. So in my opinion, it is actually worth to go for the pro plan just for the US products and custom branding feature. And then you will also get the plus plan, which is on top of the pro features, also going to give you access to the Sendrop Academy. So basically, there you can actually learn how to dropship. You can also get started doing product bundles, subscription boxes, chargeback management. So basically you can do chargebacks, you can deal with chargebacks way easier than on Shopify. You can also get private product listings. You will also get kind of an ad spy tool to find trending products, and you will also get $100 in order credits to basically buy stuff from Sendrop. And as you can see, they quite have a lot of testimonials, because a lot of people are currently switching over from CJ Dropshipping, Spocket, and so on to Sendrop. And as you can see, they also have quite a lot of integrations. So for example, you can actually seamlessly integrate Sendrop to Shopify, and for that they actually have their own app, which I really like. And they will also allow you to get connected with WooCommerce and Commerce HQ if you want to. Now let me now show you the dashboard of Sendrop. As you can see, this is how it is going to look like. On the general dashboard, you will get an overview of how all of your how your products are going, or if you're making a profit, how much sales you have, and so on. Then you can also use Sendrop to find different kind of products. You will get a list of all of your products, and you can actually also just import products from Sendrop. So let's, for example, you can import this. You can click on add to my products, then you will have it on my products, and you can then import it to your Shopify profile. Right here you will also get the orders tab, which you can use to basically fulfill orders, to do refunds, and so on. And for the extras, which you can actually only access if you're going to upgrade, you will also have branding, bundles and boxes, AliExpress import, trendy products, Sendrop Academy, and so on. And they're currently planning to actually add like a warehouse inventory, and they also currently do offer print on demand, which is something which I really like, because obviously other big providers like Printify and Printful, for example, are currently struggling a lot with print on demand. So Sendrop is kind of trying to compete in the print on demand niche. However, you will also have to get a paid plan to access print on demand. Now, let's for example say that you will want to source a product with Sendrop. So let's for example say, like, in the past few weeks, this kind of electronic water gun was trending quite a lot. This one right here. So let's for example say that you want to sell this product onto your store. Now, as you can see, I currently live in Germany, so it is by default set to Germany, but let's say that you want to ship this product to the United States. As you can see, you will get a variety of different suppliers, and you can always see the total of all of your products. As you can see, the cheapest one would be $15, this one $13, and you can basically choose what kind of product you want to sell, right? Now, as you can see, the shipping time is estimated to be 15 days for the free plan. If you're going to go for a paid plan, which I would recommend you to do, you will get way faster shipping times, because they're actually going to ship your products directly from the US. Like, the customer is going to receive the product in less than a week. But for the normal plan, for the free plan, you will have to wait quite a lot of time. So as you can see, this one, the total is going to be $27, $40, and for the cheaper options, this is going to be $15 for the same product, right? Now, compared to, like, if you're going to order it from AliExpress, for example, you're going to pay way more, and Sendrop is actually really cheap compared to all of the other big providers, like, for example, Spocket, CJ Dropshipping, and so on. So if you want to use Sendrop, I will leave you my personal link down below, which is going to get you guys a free trial to basically test out everything you like to. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.